I'm doing a world of pain in this game. DMR. 4 3s. There you go. This is what the game. This one. Huh?
Right, yellow team, follow me!
I'm not going to do it, no. I saw it happening, I was like, no, I'm not going to do it, not going to do it. Nothing's happening there. There we go. Jesus, man, this thing's a beast.
I call that the Punisher.
The Punisher, yeah, that's a good enough name. I'll take that.
DMR this game.
Oh yeah. How's your knee holding up?
Yeah, so far so good.
Yeah. Good. What happened? Did you slip over? Or?
No, I'm standing down like that. I just stood up and sharp pain behind my kneecap.
Ow.
I literally had to be helped off.
Yeah, I saw you. Yeah, being carried off.
And then paramedic said, I think you dislocated your knee.
Ow.
I didn't.
This is in the sweet spot for the 2-5.
Because by the time I got home, pain was gone.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Well, mind you, it did take 3 paracetamols and 2 ibuprofen at the same time.
Hey!
What, you walked in my way?
I'm stationary, my guy.
That missed your foot.
Hey, Sam! You want to go for a sec?
How about I push that on, Mike?
Right in the cheek.
I'm starting to get used to coughing.
Did you see the guy who flanked round the LMG, the M60 guy? He shot me in the arse full auto, point blank range.
Oh!
Luckily it was padded. It didn't
Yeah, I
hurt
need a
that much.
point DMR. 4 3s.
Oh yeah, that would have been tasty.
Alright, nut time.
Next time I come here.
Actually, no. Let me take it off safety and put it onto semi. Yes, safety.
Nips right for the spine.
The true AK way. Safety. It's on safe. Oh no. This is like safety.
This is called a Mexican standoff.
Who's gonna win at this one?
Hang on, who's gonna win?
Hey, James.
Vibrated the floor
It's a real AK. It's still very fun.
Pay
Right,
that much for
Oh, I got the second hand. I got for 100.
yeah, but still, like, it should work on safe, shouldn't it?
I got 100 and it was second hand.
It's been
It's
well
been to
done.
multiple tests.
It's been well done.
It's been to multiple tests and now safety is the move to make room for a shot.
What's that?
I feel like you want to see how that's flying.
Yeah, not having that scope.
I've got knife forces. You know how much knife forces are?
I don't know what.
£2.5 grand.
Is it cocked?
I mean, this is not definitely not.
140 quid scope.
We're paying a knife force.
Oh my god, it's
expensive
so right in the rest.
2.5. £2 grand.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, grand.
Try that. Look at.
I didn't buy it.
Try it.
Came with it.
Fly
Bought
back
150 quid. Genuine fake.
Genuine fake, yes.
Yeah, it's a genuine one. Yeah, 100%. What the hell if I did that?
I know, it's quite concerning how good it is.
The other one.
That is the most standard shell. Yeah. No, he quite doesn't.
James. Guys!
Go, boys! We can move up this level if you want.
I just got to remember my MEDs.
got receiver,
Right.
KM handgun and barrel.
DMR.
It's fun. It is an inbred abomination. It's because it's made out of 3 different sections which all failed QC, so it got put here.
3 AKs had a child, and that's what it is.
Yeah, but it's still funny.
It's the AK-200.
The AK-200
Combines all the best.
Also, minded mag is what makes it never. I call it the red cheese.
There you go, boys. Good luck. Have fun.
Yeah, let's stand here until they get here.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Well, we've got sniper on the DMR though, so we're good.
First, I think. And it also can't escape. It can't actually reach the sniper every day.
Yeah.
Yeah. If I could open it, I would have put my M220 in it.
Yeah.
3 5-fuel shells.
Has everybody the engine lights over between the white wrap trees and the helicopter? Yes, Chris. Yeah, Chris.
Where's it going? The flight's that way!
Hey, come on to the box. Don't worry, I do remember that I have to
Lovely.
semi.
Let's get a photo shot on the back. Anywhere between the white wrap trees and the helicopter, guys. Sound like you dropped a mag or something. Alright. I've got to remember my MEDs because it's DMR. Oh, good save.
Mate, you should have seen me the other week. I proper fucking stacked it, mate.
I've done.
Ended up going down like that.
I've done it in heli.
The gun into the
You know,
ground.
know the building next door to heli?
Yeah.
I did. I went down like only falls horses. I went down like that.
I just like old Del Boy at the bar.
I don't know where to go.
Mate, you got to get to the white marker, I think.
Oh.
I
Are
don't
we
know
at the
here.
white markers yet?
There's the white wrap trees there.
Oh, here we are. Right, yeah.
And it's here down the heli.
Anyway, it's this side. In this right-hand side is a good spot to tuck into.
But I remember I've got minimum 20 metres engagement.
Oh, right, you got DMRs in.
Yeah.
I've got that bush.
I'll go in there then.
Anywhere this side of heli.
Is this respawn?
I assume so, yeah.
Yeah, there's always between the white wrap trees and the heli. So